Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your TCL 205. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to get that in our other video. Now let's open this app, and from here we'll need to find the folder that contains our archives. And for me it's a DCIM and the camera. Here's a camera.rar which we're gonna unpack. Now there's multiple approaches on how to unpack this RAR file. I'm gonna show you the very simple one. Now click on this RAR file, click on the arrow pointing up. That way we'll unpack everything from this archive. Select the browse, choose the destination where you want to unpack it, and in this case let's go for the movies and click OK. Then click OK again, and instantly your files should be unpacked. Now let's move on to the movies folder, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.